Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitle to your video with Filmora 11. Okay, so in Filmora 11, we have more than 10 different subtitle templates that you can add to your video, and I think it is very easy. By the way, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so this is my Filmora 11 start page. So I already create a new project. So this is the project that I use as an example. Here I have a video of me, one of my tutorial. That is how to crop a video in Filmora 11. So we are going to use this video as an example. So first thing, we need to add it to the timeline. Yes, let's keep the project setting. And the next thing, you want to listen to the voiceover in your video first. Okay, so I'm going to just put my headphone on, and then I'm going to listen to what I'm saying on the screen. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Okay, so the first sentence is, hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel, and it stopped here, right here at this position. So what I'm going to do is to add a marker right here. So we can just click here to add a marker, or you can press M on your keyboard to add a marker on your video track here. And the next thing, we want to find the subtitle folder. Okay, to do that, we need to go to this folder, title, and now find the subtitle. Here we have 15 subtitle templates that we can add to our video. Okay, so first thing first, you need to download them. Just double click to download them. You want to preview it. For example, I can preview this one. I think it's cool. And about this one, okay, nice. And this one, okay. So I'm going to use one of them. So for example, I can use this one. Just drag and drop it at the track above your video track. And the next thing, you want to shorten it to this position at the marker point. Okay, and then you need to adjust the subtitle. For example, this is a small text, so maybe I want to adjust the text size and fonts also. So I'm going to double click at the title box or the subtitle box here on the timeline, and then I'm going to change it to what I have just said. Okay, hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Okay, so this is the first word, and now I want to delete this one. By the way, I need to go to the advanced text editor to delete this one. So just go to the advanced text, and now we have this one. This is the line that I want to delete, so just delete it. And this is my subtitle. I want to keep this one, so I'm going to move it here. And another thing, I want to remove the animation because I don't want to have the animation in the text. So what I'm going to do is to select the text track here and go to the animation, and now I can double click here to remove the animation. Okay, and the next thing, we want to increase the text size, and if you want to change the font, you can do it right here also, but I'm going to make it 28, and I think it's okay. And then we can move it down a little bit to this position. Okay, so let's play it again. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. So this is the end of the sentence. So we can just click at the edge of the text box here and extend it to this position. Okay, so we can listen to the video again. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Okay, so I think it's okay. And now we can just close it. And this is the first sentence and the first subtitle. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. And now we need to continue doing that. So in this is the next position. We can stretch out the timeline here, and then we can also add a marker here so that we know this is the start point of the text. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a video with Filmora 11. So in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a video with Filmora 11. So we need to use this subtitle again, so we can just select this one and press Ctrl C to copy it, and then we need to lock this track and put our playhead here at this position. Okay, and press Ctrl V to paste it, and also listen to the sentence again to see where it ends. Okay, so this is the end point of the subtitle. So we're going to extend it to this point. And the next thing, we want to adjust the text inside. Okay, just do this. I'm going to show you how to crop a video with Filmora 11. Okay, so this is the sentence, and let's close this one and review it again. Okay, so I'm missing the word in this video, so I'm going to double click and in this video. Okay, and let's click OK. Okay, and now we can see that we need two lines here because the words just go out the screen. So I'm going to double click at the center right here, just double click here, so we can just press enter here to make a new line. And also we need to adjust the alignment, so we can click here so that we can align it at the center. Alright, so let's click OK. So we finished with two sentences.
Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video with Filmora 11. Okay, so
and we can do the same. So for example, we can add a marker right here. So now we can unlock this track and add a marker right here and play the video.
Okay, so we have Filmora 11 now, and it's time to learn new stuff in this version.
To learn new stuff in this version, so we are going to have another marker, and now we can just copy this one, just do the same, and put the playhead at this position and press Ctrl V, and now you can export this one. Okay, extend this one to this position, and now we can change the words right here. Okay, so that is how to add a subtitle to your video with Filmora 11. And I think this is a time-consuming process, so there is no shortcut for this. You need to add one by one with the title box here, and listen to the video and add markers, and then you can adjust your text also. And there's one more thing. If you want to save this subtitle for the next use, for example, if you change the font size and add the shadow or stuff like that, and you want to use this subtitle for your next project, you can click here at this save as custom. So for example, I can click here and then I can say it is sub 1 and then click OK. Okay, and then we can click OK. In your next project, if you want to use the same subtitle, you can go to the title tab here again, and then go to the custom folder. So here in the custom folder, you will have your subtitle ready to use right here. So I can just drag and drop it right here, for example. And now we have the same text and the same style and design and stuff like that. Okay, so that is how to add a subtitle to your video easily with Filmora 11. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.